Hello guys, we are back. Build your own e-commerce website in 3 easy steps. Shopify is trusted by millions of business worldwide. Enter your email and start free trials. First of all, we are talking about of Spotify. Choose and customize that theme, the design of your shop from over thousands of themes. No design experience of programming skills required. Add uh, product to shop. List your eye catching products with the best photos, price and descriptions. Start selling. Set up payments and shipping, and start selling. Shopify is the better than any other platforms we are played with all Jothans by start for free trial. And this is my mail. हाँ काम है. हम्म. एक मिनट मैं तुम सेंड कर रहा हूँ. लेफ्ट. अच्छा चल. चल मैं सेंड कर रहा हूँ. So Shopify is the most best experience on Shopify. So we are going Shopify developers platform. Build, innovate to get paid. Build anything remaging commerce. Millions of merchants trusted Shopify to run their business, but they need developer to build a tool that help them and achieve. The platform to make commerce better everyone. So developer app the solve complex merchants problems in expensive GraphQL and reset APIs let you integrates to Shopify admins online stores. हाँ मैं. चल मैं चेक कर रहा हूँ. ओके ओके. So intelligent assembly into existing workflows help merchants express themselves, ship custom shopping experience, add Shopify to any web, mobiles or gaming experience with the powerful store fonts API and SDKs, plus any fonts and stake you want. Use marketplace kit to connect your platform and its user to million Shopify merchants and their products. So launch your app or theme millions of merchants. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy this video.